this lesson, we will learn how we can filter the display of certain layers. This is one of the main features of Photoshop CS6 and it allows you to actually filter the layers into this layers panel. It becomes really useful when you have lots and lots of layers and you need to find certain layers, or if you want to hide certain layers which you don't want to work on. To filter layers, we will use this new area at top of the layers panel. We can filter with these parameters. There are a few parameters. Suppose if we select the first parameter which says kind, it has a few options to filter out. The first one is to filter with the pixels. So as soon as I click this, only the layers with empty pixels are displayed. This is to filter out the adjustment layers and the text layers. About this I'll tell you in some later lessons. Now this is the filter for smart objects. As soon as I click this icon and turn this off, I get the smart object layer. We can turn a filter on and off just by clicking it on and off. Now friends, if at any point of time you wonder that what has happened to your layers, some of your layers are missing or are disabled, just look for this button here. If any of the filters are applied, then it will turn red. A red button means some of the layers are hiding. If you click here, it's turned off, the button comes down, it means no filter is applied. But if you turn it on, a filter is applied. But if you keep it turned on and turn off the filter, it turns grey but it's still up, means the filter is applied but it's not hiding any layers as of now. Now let's see at some other options. The second one is name. If you know the name of any layer that you want to filter out, just type it here. Suppose I'll type company name. I have not typed the whole name. With first few letters, it gives me the options starting with those letters. Now the next option is the effect. These are the layer styles. We don't have bevel and emboss on any of our layers. No layers are matching the filter. But if I click here and select any other effect, suppose overlay, it has these many layers who have these effects like gradient overlay. I have given the effect the gradient overlay. You can see every layer that has been filtered out has some effect to it, which is gradient overlay. This is the color. When it says none, it displays only those layers which do not have any color. But if I go to red, it displays the layer which has red color, or say violet, it displays this. If I say none, then those two layers are hidden with the colors and these are no color layers. So this ability to filter out the layers is extremely useful if you have a large number of layers to work with. Okay, that was a look at this new layers filter feature of Photoshop CS6. See you at the next lesson.